Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Jiffy. In this video, let's learn about consumer interface in Java. The java.util function.consumer interface in Java represents an operation that accepts a single input argument and returns no result. It is part of the Java functional interfaces introduced in Java 8 and is often used for performing actions or operations on elements of a collection such as iterating over a list and applying a function to each element. Okay, so let's see code demo for consumer interface in Java. Here I do have one class with name consumer test. So let's proceed to write code. Let's delete this introduction part. So friends, let's create one array list with names. Okay, new array list. List interface. String data type names. Type the name. I am giving the name of the list array list as first names. Okay, import the list and list interface and array list class. Now let's add the names using the add method. Rakesh, first name is Rakesh. Now copy line number 10 to add two more names. So now just change the name here. Rakesh, Rahul and Sham. Okay, so I have added three names in this list: Rakesh, Rahul and Sham. Okay, now let's use the consumer interface to print each name. Okay, so let's proceed. Type consumer data type string. Now we are going to create consumer of type string. The name of that consumer is print name. Okay, print name of the variable is print name equal to. Now friends, let's write the lambda expression to get the each name, to get the each string as name, and which will print the greeting message for each name. Okay, so let's proceed. Name parameter, passing parameter, put the lambda operator, and use the print statement. First of all, we have to import the consumer interface. Okay, now let's pass the message. Let's pass the message as hello. Let's pass the message as hello, and the variable name as name. Okay, now friends, let's use for each method to iterate over the first names list and apply the print name consumer to each element, which will result greeting for each name. Okay, so let's proceed. Write the interface name consumer, sorry, write the list name as first names dot for each loop and pass print name, variable print name. Okay, so friends, our code is ready now. So let's get the output to the console by running our code. Let's click on run code, this button. So friends, you can see that we do have an output to the console as hello Rakesh, hello Rahul, and hello Shyam. So this is the code example of consumer interface by which you can iterate over the each element in the generated list. Okay, so now let's see one more example on consumer interface, which will demonstrate about modifying elements in our generated array list. Okay, so let's proceed for that code. Let's write code for that example. First of all, I am going to delete this code. Okay, now friends, let's suppose we have a list of numbers. So let's create that. List type integer, list name is let's say the list name is numbers 1. Okay, so here I do have one list of numbers with name numbers 1. Okay, so let's add the numbers in the list numbers 1 using the add method. Okay, so let's proceed. Numbers 1 dot add 8. Let's add two more elements numbers in numbers 1 list. So copy it 2 times, then let the second number will be 4 and third number will be 45. Okay, so here we have created a list with the name numbers of data type integer. Okay, now friends, suppose we have to double each number in the numbers one list. So let's use consumer interface to make it happen. Okay, so let's proceed. Write the name of the interface consumer of integer type. So we have declared here consumer of integer type with name double number. Okay, equal to use lambda expression here, pass the name number, parameter name number, lambda operator, lambda body, and store that in variable doubled equal to number into 2. Okay, save the code and write the code to print output. Pass the message as original plus number plus, now pass the message as doubled. Okay, comma doubled plus variable name as doubled. Okay friends, so we have write the code to get the output. This is our, this will print the our original numbers, and this will print our double numbers. Okay, now let's use for each loop to iterate over the numbers one list and up, which will apply the double number consumer to each element, resulting in the original and double values being printed. Okay, so let's proceed. Write the name of the list numbers one dot, you now use for each loop and pass the consumer double number. Okay, so friends, now we have done with our code. It's time to get our output to the console. So let's proceed. Let's run our code. So friends, you can see that our original number was 8 and the doubled of 8 is 16. Similarly for original is 4 and doubled of 4 is 8. Originally here original is 44 and double of 45 is 90. So friends, in this way we can use consumer interface in Java to perform various operations on our code. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thanks for watching the video.